Just put some conditioner on the wood so I can get ready to stain it. I'm gonna stain it mahogany. All right, that's the way it looks. And I finished staining it, and then I put a clear coat on it. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm just waiting on like lights and a few things to arrive. That way I can start putting this thing together, but just making this video and letting y'all know where I'm at on the project. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep posting and letting y'all know how this project is coming out and how I'm installing it. This is the back side. I don't want to move it too much. I don't want to scratch it up, but thanks for watching. Stay tuned.